You need to know about our darkening drops. And also, fun fact, it has a peel-off label that actually tells you exactly how to use the darkening drops and do's and don'ts about the products. So I'm going through all of that today with you so you know exactly how to get everything out of your darkening drops. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn everything you need to know about our Caribbeantan brand, tips and tricks about tanning, and just to get that perfect glow all year round. The Darkening Drops is an instant wash-off color, meaning it does not contain active self-tan ingredients, which is namely DHA, meaning that when you get in the shower, it will wash straight off. So what do you add the Darkening Drops to? You can add it to our Shimmer cream, you can add it to the Spritzer, or you can add it to our Professional Tan range. When added, they'll give an initial darker color. The great thing about a Darkening Drops is that you can actually customize the instant color of your tan depending on how many drops you use. So let me take you through how to darken your salon solution or your spritzer with the Darkening Drops. So you can add 6 to 20 drops per 100 ml to enhance the initial tan of these products. So for a light tan, you can add 6 drops. For a medium tan, you can add 10 drops. And for extremely dark tan, you can add 20 drops. And if you're worried you aren't going to remember all these facts, don't worry. The Darkening Drops actually come with all these instructions and guidelines for you already. All you have to do is peel for directions right over here, and you'll see that Darkening Drops wrapper actually comes with do's and don'ts, how to use the solution, how to use the shimmer cream, and exactly everything you need to be a Darkening Drops pro. Let's cover some do's and don'ts when mixing Darkening Drops with your spritzer or your tan solution. Always make sure that your cap is tightly on and give the Darkening Drops a good shake before using. Remember that the Darkening Drops will stain hands, clothes, furniture, and bedding, so make sure to take extra care when using these Darkening Drops. When using the Darkening Drops with our salon solution, make sure to decant the solution into a glass container and then use a metal spoon to mix in your desired amount of Darkening Drops. Make sure to wash your glass container and metal spoon as soon as you're done using. So on to how to use the Darkening Drops with our shimmer cream. So darkening the shimmer cream with the Darkening Drops is as easy as adding 1 to 5 drops. You can squeeze some shimmer cream onto the palm of your hand and add the Darkening Drops in there and mix well. So you can keep adding your Darkening Drops until your desired color is achieved. And I did a swatch for you guys comparing the normal shimmer cream compared to 1 drop of the Darkening Drops, compared to 3 drops, and compared to 5. So you can see the instant color that it gives to the shimmer cream. If you mix the Darkening Drops and shimmer cream with your palms, make sure you wash your hands thoroughly with soap after. And onto the do's and don'ts of using the shimmer cream and Darkening Drops. Once again, always ensure to give the Darkening Drops a good shake before using. As mentioned before, you can use a glass container and a metal spoon to mix in the shimmer cream and the Darkening Drops. And one last don't for our Darkening Drops is do not add to makeup or foundation, as it is not makeup and it's not intended to darken your foundation. And that is all you need to know about our Caribbeantan Darkening Drops. If you forget any of these, don't forget that you can just peel off the label and it's all right there for you. Do's and don'ts, how to use and what products to use with it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions about Darkening Drops and we'll be glad to answer them. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!